me when I'm out to play. Wanna go through an ending that's happy again, with 2 dirty birds and a bottle of champagne. It is what it is, just a matter of course. Life's a gas when you flog a dead horse. Good, eh? Hello! Got my own recipe for fortune and shame. That's 2 dirty birds and a bottle of champagne. My name is Sean and I was born under a wandering star. Now find me a bar with an ice cold beer and a pack of brow, 'cause I'm in the here and now. Oh wow. Travelling around from town to town, knit one, pearl one, can't slow down. Wanna feel the heat with some pleasure and pain, finding 2 dirty birds and a bottle of champagne. Oh man, I'm going in. I was gonna do an instrumental solo here, but I've left my accordion in the horse. Knit one, pearl one, knit one, pearl one, knit one, pearl one. My name is King, I like toe sucking. I'm a YouTube star, now find me a bar with a nice cold beer and a pack of pow. I'm in the here and now. Oh wow. Good day, I got something to say. No way you're gonna stop me when I'm out to play. Wanna go through an ending that's happy again, with 2 dirty birds and a bottle of champagne. You good? Are you good? At the end of the day, there's only one thing on my brain. That's 2 dirty birds and a bottle of champagne.